Ever wondered how you could enjoy a blooming garden all year round? Welcome to the world of four-season gardening, a technique that brings year-long beauty and bounty. With four-season gardening, you can enjoy vibrant colors and fresh produce no matter the season. Before we dive in, it's crucial to understand your garden's specific needs. Every garden is unique, with its own soil type, light exposure, and climate zone. These factors greatly shape your gardening strategy. Knowing your garden is the first step towards successful four-season gardening. Now that you know your garden, it's time to plan for a year-round bloom. Begin by picking plants for each season. Spring calls for blossoming bulbs like tulips and daffodils. Summer loves sun-loving annuals, while autumn adores the fiery hues of maples and chrysanthemums. For winter, evergreens and hollies add vibrant splashes of green. To ensure a continuous bloom, choose plants with varied flowering times. That way, as one plant's flowers fade, another's are just beginning. With careful planning, you can ensure a beautiful garden throughout the year. A well-planned garden needs good maintenance. Regular watering, pruning, and fertilizing are essential to keeping your garden vibrant throughout the year. Remember, not all plants are created equal. Some may need more water, others might require less sunlight or more frequent pruning. It's all about understanding the unique needs of each plant in your garden. With the right care and attention, you can ensure that every plant thrives in its season. Proper maintenance is key to a thriving four-season garden. Mastering four-season gardening might seem daunting, but it's definitely worth the effort. Remember, it's all about understanding your garden, planning accordingly, and maintaining it well. The fruit of your labor? A beautiful, vibrant garden that thrives all year round, providing you with fresh produce and a stunning outdoor space. The benefits are endless. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips. Happy gardening, everyone!